So here's a little something for those of you that do paper crafts and stuff, and you know how you have the paper left on your mat. Here's a simple, easy way that I use to get the paper off. I take my handy dandy lint brush and I just take it and roll it across the mat. This is like the most simplest way to, and if you put a little pressure, I can't put a little pressure right now because I'm holding the phone taping, but this works wonders. Trust me. Try it out. Your next, instead of having to scrape because your mat is so sticky, you see how easily it gets it off. Just a little tip here that I thought I would share. I don't know if a lot of people do paper crafts, but it is like so